Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. So today I'm going to be cooking a calzone in the Ooni Koda 16. It'll be the biggest calzone I've made so far. Let's do it. Okay, the oven is the right temperature. It's about 430 around there. So I'm going to go with that. It's on full flame. I'm going to keep it on full. I've got my calzone here, calzone style pizza. Got my peel ready. So let's put this in. Done. I thought I was going to struggle with making such a big calzone, and I didn't. It was okay. Everything came out all right. It was easier to manage than a normal pizza because it's half the size, so it was easy to turn. I think what you got to be careful with a calzone is the angled edge, that doesn't get too close to the flame as you're rotating it. I used bought dough for this cook. I used the Ooni sourdough. I've got quite a few frozen balls of it in my freezer. I thought I'd give it a shot. The oven made it so easy to cook with. There's so much room in there, so when you are cooking a bigger one or a bigger pizza, you've got loads of room to maneuver, and that just made it so much easier. And that's the bonus of having a bigger oven. Even if you're making smaller pizza or calzone, you can easily rotate it. So this bubbled up really well. I got some good leoparding from the dough. Let's show you how the inside is cooked. I got the dough thin using my mini pizza roller. I love the mini pizza roller. I'm not going to struggle trying to get a dough as thin as I need it to be for a calzone. I'm gonna use the mini pizza roller. I love it. It did what I needed it to do. This is the thing about using a mini pizza roller. I rolled out that dough and then folded it over, and it still bubbled up. So the rolling pin or the roller in no way damaged the bubble on the top of the calzone. If you are having trouble like me, struggling to get a thin dough, then it's absolutely worth it, because as you can see here, it has not at all in any way taken the bubbles away from my cook. I got a lovely crunch from it. I'm pulling it away here. You can see that the taste of the salami is so good on there, and that cheese as well. I used grated mozzarella, not pre-grated mozzarella, block of mozzarella, and then I grated it, and that worked really well. I think the key for making this for me was getting a really thin dough using the mini pizza roller, but even then it did not take away any of the bubbling, so I got the best of both worlds. I got the lovely crunchiness, I got the leoparding, the bubbling, and then my mini pizza roller made sure that I could get it as thin as I possibly could. I'm a good base cook. So to make this pizza, I put the whole of the tomato sauce. I covered the tomato sauce over the whole base of the pizza. Then I just added the cheese, which was mozzarella, block mozzarella grated, onto one half of it. Then I added my Italian salami to that. Just fold it over, and then you're good to go. So I had the Ooni Koda 16 on full flame, didn't turn it down. The stone was at about 430-ish, maybe a bit lower in the centre, and that was in the centre of the area where I wanted to cook. That picked up some good heat to cook the base quickly. the gas then with the flame, it just gave it a lovely wispy cook. I wasn't sure how it was going to go because I've never made one that big before. My family loved it. I loved it. We shared it because it was quite big. If you haven't given this a try, please do. If you need to use a mini pizza roller, give it a go because it's invaluable for these situations where you want to get a thin dough and you also want to have the bubbling, because this proves that you can have the best of both worlds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first of the many requests that you kindly gave to me when I asked for some ideas. You asked for a calzone. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but I'm trying my best. My next one will be another, I'm not going to say what it is. I'm not going to say what it is, but I've got one planned that you've also asked for, which will be up next week. I just wanted to also say thank you so much for your support and your amazing feedback that I've had. It's really inspired me to keep on testing, experimenting, cooking and sharing things that go right, things that go wrong. Just thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you found this video useful. Take care. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye. Very pleased. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.